Welcome on my YouTube channel Finnavi to a new basic analysis of the stock Kellanova from the US. So here at first a quick overview about the topics for today and a short disclaimer. Please be aware, I'm only talking here about my own opinion. Investing can be very risky, so you can lose all your money. So before you start investing, please inform yourself about everything, all the information on your own, and only then you can start with your investment journey. Let's get started with the business model. So, Kellanova is a global snacking focused company. It has a strong portfolio of iconic brands, so the Kellogg's and all these cornflakes packages you maybe know, and the emphasis is on the convenience foods, and they're having like the asset light, the branded strategy. And they are acting on a global scale, so they have a broad international distribution system. Now I want to look into the financials. So it is a $29 billion market cap company. The revenues did decrease from 13 billion in 2020 or 30.7 billion to 12.7 billion revenue in 2024. The net profit a little bit increased from up to 1.3 billion, and the cash flow remained quite stable with $1.76 billion. The net assets are quite the same with 3.8 billion, and the total debt got decreased until 11.7 billion. The shares outstanding are remaining quite the same with 350 million, and the P ratio is now at about 20. But I just want to say that the total debt seems to be quite high compared to the net assets. That is what I'm seeing here. Cash flow is quite stable. That is a good sign. But yeah, it has a quite high debt, that company. And when we look at the dividend, so we are having now a $2.31 dividend, and many dividend got risen up. So in 2006 we had 1.14, and in 2015 we had 1.98. So we are not making a big jump in the dividend, only small increasements. But yeah, at least there are some increasements over the years until 2022 with $2.34, and then it dropped a little bit to $2.31. Let's talk about some risk. So of course we have here the input of the cost inflation with the global supply chain. We are having the shifting into the consumer health trend. So they are wanting less sugar, they are wanting more healthy products. Consumer want more healthy products and these things. We also have an intense brand competition. So think about Nestle. They are also making cornflakes like the Nesquik or the Lions, for example, and they are good competitors. And there's also currency fluctuations, and maybe an execution risk of the post spin-off. And the chances, on the other hand, is, for example, a growth in global snacking. So people want to eat more snacks, consume more snacks, then premium and healthier snacks. So people are willing to pay a higher price for a more healthier product with which has a premium ingredients. And there's also possible for emerging markets expansion, so like into the direction of Asia with the India, or the China region, where many people are living, which get richer and richer, and which are more developing day by day. And the brand-led pricing power. So a consumer which knows a brand and has a good memories with it and who is happy with the product is maybe willing to pay more money year by year when the prices got risen up. And operational efficiency gains. So more effective productions, maybe less employees, yeah, or a higher production rate which can come out of the factory, more modernizing, or similar things. Now, last but not least, my own opinion. So it is an attractive pure play snack company which has strong global brands, and it has like a defensive consumer staples exposure. It has also a moderate but steady growth outlook. So like I showed, the dividend got a little bit declined for now, but we will see how the future looks. And so it's more long-term play with less growth, but yeah, also keep in mind the high debt which I showed you. But summarizing, I think it's way more worth for a detailed analysis to have a closer look into that company. And well, now I'm at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please sub and like to the channel and leave a comment below. What do you think about Kellanova compared to Nestle or other companies? You can also discuss with me on my Discord channel, which you also find in the video description. We can discuss there about other stocks, about stock strategies, or also about crypto strategies. And I would be happy to see you there. Thank you for your time. I wish you a good day, and I hope I will see you with the next analysis. Bye.